how to see the first message on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see the very first message in your Instagram chat. It's perfect if you want to revisit old conversation. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the share icon or the DM icon, which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are in the DM section, you simply have to find the conversation that you want to check. So here you can simply scroll all the way up to see the oldest messages, because Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature to jump to a first message. So here you can simply scroll down to the bottom as much as you can to find your first messages, or you can simply remember the person name which you had a first conversation with and search for the name at the top of the chat, and there you can also tap search in conversation and type a keyword from your first message, and this will help you to jump closer to your oldest message. And here, if your chat is really long, then you may need to scroll gradually, and Instagram will load message in batches, so keep scrolling up until you find the first message. So here it may take some time, but you have to be patient with that. So here simply scroll down all the way down to the bottom to find your first messages, and here once you have found it, simply tap on it, and that's it. That's how you can see the first message in the Instagram chat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.